are Team Alpha and we are competing against the junior category. So the name of our project is Green and Clean Wave. My name is Prashma and I would like to start briefing our project. To begin with, I would like to talk about the hybrid tree. So as you can see that we have incorporated our hybrid tree with the wind turbines and solar panels. So what we have created is an energy producing tree, and our hybrid tree is very eco-friendly as it is converting the renewable resources such as the wind and the light into electricity. So also there is something very unique about the design feature of our model as well. We did a lot of research to make our entire project extremely efficient and practical, and then we came up with the idea of placing the solar panels using a concept called spiraling philauticity. So using spiraling philauticity, we are making sure that the solar panels would be placed in such a way that none of them would block the sunlight from reaching the solar panel that would be placed below them. So similar, now talking about the wind turbines. So our wind turbines are called the Aeroleaf wind turbines, and our Aeroleaf wind turbines are greatly inspired from the wind turbines that NASA has been working upon since the year 2016. So as you can see that when I am rotating the wind turbine, these LEDs are flickering over here, and also this when the sunlight is here, when the light energy is hitting these solar cells over here, the solar cells are converting the light energy into electricity, and as a result these two LEDs are going over here. Also, so there could be, so as you must have seen that so now the energy is generated here. So there could be multiple applications of where we can use this energy that we generated. One such use could be this smart pole. So this is a smart street pole which could be installed on the streets of the roads, and suppose you are near the smart street pole and you see a medical emergency or an accident happening and you wish to make a difference, and you want to contact the ambulance or the police station. So you can press on this button, and on pressing this button the LED lights are glowing, and as a result the place would get illuminated. And when you are pressing the other button, this light over here has turned on, which is and this is an ambulance, and the other light is for the police station. And the other light is for the police station. And when a person has seen a medical emergency or something, the person would press on this button, and then this police station and the ambulance would get to know, and then they would come for help. We also have another part that we can charge our phones through this. So you can get my phone right there. Yes, yeah, so it's getting charged as well. Just in case, for the sake of safety, if your phone runs out of battery, this is what you can do as a last resort. What else do we have here? Well, this I gave to my teammate, Baran.
We have this MQ135 sensor to measure the AQI of the surroundings, and when the this AQI will be displayed here on the LCD with the help of this Arduino Nano, and when the AQI increases to a level which can harm the organisms, it will trigger the pump present there to pour the rain through this system, and we all know that rain helps in reducing the air pollution in the surroundings by binding to the air pollutants and particulates, helping to bring them down. So we have this, and we all know that carbon footprints left behind by the cars and other vehicles is a major issue when we talk about air pollution. So we have this smoke absorber system, and when we turn on the system showing the signal is red, when the signal is red, the smoke absorber system automatically gets turned on, absorbing all the carbon dioxide from here to and sending them down to the places where plants are present.
Now we have another issue. Here we have another project. Now what is this project, you may ask? So this is an electric car charging wireless transfer. What does it do? So whenever you have to park your car, and if you feel that okay, maybe I need to charge my car, what do? You just park it. But on a normal basis, you have to insert it, and if you have to insert that wire thing. So now, which cannot be done, which is for a more efficient way, you can just park your car here, and it can charge the car. How is that so? So it relies on the principles of electromagnetic induction. Here we have a primary coil and a secondary coil. When these get connected, current is traveled through a wire through magnetic fields, which induces current here. Now what does it do? It wirelessly charges. What are the advantages of this, you may ask? Here, first, greater accessibility.
कहाँ?
लाइट नहीं चल रही है इसकी LED की when we are rotating.
तो LED खत्म हो गया।
LED क्या हो गया?
खत्म हो गया।
क्या?
खत्म। वेट, लेट्स डू दिस पहले।
So what is to be done now?
चेंज द LED।
We don't have LEDs everywhere, and it's wired.
We do.
That is what our project is about.
What is the first we have to park this car?
We just have to park this. That is because we have to travel with the
Can we make one track of that coil so that it can charge along with movement of car also?
more cost efficient. We wanted to do that. And it is
How will supplying that
Sorry, sir.
electricity to that coil?
well, we would just take lesser coils, right?
No, I want to know that I am supplying electricity to this coil through this battery. Can we use solar also?
We can also use solar, but technically we are still using solar. Why is that so? Right here we are refueling these same batteries by solar energy, which is getting converted into electric energy. And the same batteries, which are technically
We can use
refueled
here
by
also.
solar energy, we're using the same thing. That's how it is actually in EcoCity, which is the entire point of our model.
We can try for that
Entire road to be made out of
entire
coil.
road, one track of that coil so that electromagnetic wave can generate and along with the movement of car, we can charge that for car also.
Taking off.
We don't have to use for parking of that car. It will be more innovative.
But what we aim to do is cost effectiveness. For the entire track, we would need more
Cost
cost.
effectiveness is another idea which can be made cheaper in future.
It can. It definitely can still be implemented.
But your motto should be that the car should not be parked anywhere.
Sir, we can do this.
Charge.
Definitely we can do that as well, but
Yes.
this is just
That will be better than this.
that would be even better. Exactly. But as this is just a prototype, this is what we have done. I pass over to Arun for more information.